coffee chat on a rainy morning. Hi, Sarah. Thanks for being on time.
Of course, Alex. I dislike being late.
The rain is a bit heavy this morning.
Yes, it is. I almost decided to drive.
But you biked instead? That's brave.
I enjoy biking. A little rain is okay.
It keeps you active for sure.
Definitely. It's a great start to the day.
What coffee are you getting today?
The usual for me, a simple black coffee.
I think I'll try the new latte.
Is it good? I saw the advertisement.
I hope so. It sounds interesting.
Let me know what you think of it.
By the way, you look a little tired.
Oh, do I? I had a late night.
Is everything all right? You seem stressed.
I'm fine. Just working on the big report.
Ah, the quarterly report. It's a lot of work.
Yes, the deadline is approaching very fast.
Do you need any help with the data?
That's kind of you. But I can manage.
Are you sure? I have some free time.
I appreciate the offer, really. I'm almost done.
Okay, just let me know if you change your mind.
I will. Thanks for your concern, Alex.
We should probably get our coffee now.
You're right. The line is getting shorter.
After you. I'm not in a hurry.
Thanks. I know exactly what I want.
So, black coffee it is. No sugar.
Nope. I like the strong bitter taste.
I prefer my coffee sweet. It's funny.
We all have different tastes, right?
That's true. It makes life more interesting.
I completely agree with you on that.
My latte's ready. It looks delicious.
Enjoy it. My black coffee is coming up.
This place always has great service.
Yes, that's why I like coming here.
The staff is always so friendly and quick.
And their coffee is consistently good.
It's a perfect spot for a morning chat.
It really is. I feel more awake now.
Me too. I'm ready for the workday.
Great. Shall we head to the office soon?
Yes, let's finish our drinks first.
Sounds like a plan. No need to rush.
We still have about 15 minutes.
Perfect. That's plenty of time for us.
Morning coffee and a rainy day. Good morning, Sarah.
Morning, Mark. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. It's a bit rainy outside.
Yes, I saw that. Did you bike to work?
I did. A little rain doesn't stop me.
That's very brave of you. I took the bus.
It helps me wake up properly.
I prefer coffee for that purpose.
Me too. This machine actually makes good coffee.
I agree. It's much better than the old one.
So, are you ready for the big meeting today?
I think so. I prepared my notes yesterday.
That's smart. You always seem so organized.
Thanks. I try my best to be prepared.
I need to review my part one more time.
You still have some time before it starts.
You look a little tired, though. Are you okay?
Thanks for asking. I just slept late.
Was it because of work?
No, I was watching a new TV show.
Oh, that's a better reason. What did you watch?
It's a detective show from the UK.
Sounds interesting. I like those kinds of shows.
This one is really clever. You should try it.
What's the name of the show?
It's called The Shadow's Path.
I'll look for it tonight. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. Let me know what you think.
My coffee is ready now.
Mine too. Perfect timing.
Well, I should get back to my desk.
Yes, me too. Let's catch up more at lunch.
That's a great idea. Are you free around noon?
Yes, noon works perfectly for me.
Great. We can go to that new sandwich place.
I heard good things about it. Let's do that.
Okay? Perfect. I'll see you then.
Have a productive morning, Mark.
You too, Sarah. Talk to you later.
See you later.
Morning coffee before a big meeting. Hi, Sarah. Thanks for getting here on time. The rain is quite steady now.
Oh, of course, Mark. I'm glad we are inside. Did you get very wet?
A little, but my rain jacket is good. I actually biked here today.
Wow, you biked in this weather? That's really impressive, Mark.
It wakes me up better than coffee. Have you ordered yet?
Not yet. I was waiting for you. Let's go order together.
Good idea. I need a large black coffee this morning for sure.
I think I will get a latte. Something warm sounds nice today.
Ah, sounds good. The line isn't too long, which is great.
Perfect. So, are you feeling ready for the big meeting later?
I think so. I reviewed my slides one last time this morning.
Me too. I'm a little nervous about the client's possible questions.
Don't worry about it. We prepared well. Your part is very strong.
Thanks, Mark. I appreciate that. Your data section is excellent.
I just hope we have enough time to cover everything important.
Yes, time is always a challenge. We should keep our answers brief.
Exactly. It's better to be direct and clear with our points.
I agree. By the way, are you really okay? You seem a bit tired.
Thanks for asking. To be honest, I did not sleep very well.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Was it because of the presentation?
Partly. My neighbor's dog was also barking for hours last night.
Oh no, that's the worst. I can't focus when there is noise.
Me neither. But this strong coffee should help me a lot.
I certainly hope so. A good coffee can often save the morning.
It really can. So, do you have any fun plans for the weekend?
Not really. I think I will just relax at home and read a book.
That sounds very peaceful. I might go for a long hike if it's sunny.
A hike sounds nice. Where do you usually go for hiking?
There's a great park about 30 minutes from the city center.
Oh, I think I know that park. It has beautiful walking trails.
Yes, that's the one. It's perfect for a Saturday morning.
Maybe I should go there sometime. Thanks for the recommendation.
You're welcome. We should probably head to the office soon.
You're right. What time is it now? We have to be on time.
It's almost 8:45 a.m. We have about 15 minutes to walk over.
Okay, that's plenty of time. Let's finish our coffee first.
Sounds like a plan. I feel much more awake now thanks to this.
Good. We need to be sharp and focused for this client meeting.
Definitely. Let's do a great job and impress them today.
Yes, let's do it. I feel more confident after our chat.
Me too. It's always good to connect before a big task.
I agree. Teamwork makes everything better and less stressful.
Well said, Sarah. All right, I'm ready when you are.
Okay, let's go. Good luck to us, Mark.
A rainy morning conversation. Good morning, Sarah. A bit rainy today.
Hi, Mark. Yes, the weather is not great.
I hope your commute was okay. You look a little wet.
I biked to work. It was just a light rain.
Biking in the rain? That's very brave of you.
It helps me wake up in the morning.
I'd prefer my warm bus. So, are you ready for the meeting?
I think so. I prepared my notes yesterday.
That's good. I'm a bit worried about the presentation.
Why? Your part is always very clear.
Thanks. I just want everything to go perfectly.
I understand that feeling completely.
You seem a bit tired today. Is everything all right?
I didn't sleep very well last night.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Was it because of the project?
Partly. I was thinking a lot about it.
Are you really okay? You can tell me if you need help.
That's kind of you. I'm just stressed.
We can practice the presentation together if you want.
That wouldn't actually be a great idea.
How about we meet after lunch for 30 minutes?
Perfect. Your feedback is always helpful.
Of course. We are a team, after all.
Yes, that's true. It makes work better.
Did you grab a coffee this morning?
Not yet. I came here directly.
There's a good coffee shop around the corner.
Oh, which one do you recommend?
It's called the Daily Grind. Their latte is amazing.
I will try it during my lunch break.
You should. A good coffee might help you feel better.
I hope so. I need more energy.
Definitely. A little caffeine always works for me.
Thanks for the suggestion, Mark.
No problem at all. I'm happy to help.
I appreciate your support a lot.
Okay, we should probably go inside now.
Yes, it's almost 9 o'clock.
Thanks for being on time to meet.
Of course. Punctuality is important to me.
Let's have a productive day then.
I agree. Let's do our best.
See you at the meeting later.
See you then. And thanks again.
A casual coffee chat before work. Good morning, Sarah. Fancy seeing you here.
Oh, hi, Mark. I come here for coffee sometimes.
Me too. Their coffee is really good.
Yes, it helps me start my week.
It's a bit rainy today, isn't it?
It is. I almost took the bus.
But you still bike to work?
Yes, it's just a little rain.
That's quite brave of you.
I have a good raincoat, so it's fine.
So, are you ready for the big meeting?
I think so. I prepared all weekend.
You look a little tired. Are you okay?
Thanks for asking. I'm just a bit sleepy.
I understand. It was a long week.
Yes, that project was very demanding.
But we did a great job on it.
I agree. The client was very happy.
That's the most important thing.
Definitely. It makes the hard work worth it.
Do you have any plans for next weekend?
Not really. I just want to relax.
That sounds like a perfect idea.
What about you? Any special plans?
I might go hiking if the weather is nice.
Hiking sounds fun. Where do you usually go?
There's a nice trail just outside the city.
I've heard about it. Maybe I should try it.
You should. It's very beautiful there.
I will think about it. Thanks for the tip.
Oh, my coffee is ready now.
Mine too. Perfect timing.
Well, it was nice talking to you.
You too, Mark. It was a good chat.
It helped me wake up a bit.
Me too. The coffee smells great.
Let's walk to the office together.
Sure, let's go. We should be on time.
I hope the rain stops soon.
I hope so too. It's better with sun.
Have a good day, Sarah.
You too, Mark. See you at the meeting.
Yes, see you in a little bit.
Okay, see you then. Bye.